Welcome back again to the channel. This video I just want to show you, it's a Chevy Express cargo van. I want to show you, if you look at the previous video, we were talking about the thermostat, and that's the location of the thermostat, and that's the thermostat. That's where it goes in the back of the Chevy Express, and this is the thermostat housing. Basically, this is a 2007 Chevy Express. Those are the two screws, and we just changed. We're putting the new one. And you can see up there you can see the sealant, the blue stuff you're seeing there is the sealant. So once we place the housing on top of the thermostat, it will seal. Let me show you exactly what it is. This is what it is. It's a gasket sealer. So when you're changing the thermostat, it's good to have it, so it will seal the gasket to the housing, so there will be no leaks coming off once you put the two bolts in. The two bolts are 13 millimeters, so once you put the two bolts in, it should be tight and the gasket should be sealed. Okay, that's just a quick video, as a follow-up to the other video. So you see where the thermostat location is, and if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, or you can leave your comment there too. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a good day. Bye.